Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center. We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
Kum kadak ka jingkan mau it, bat ban long ka jingsa jingkan mau na ka bentau Dr. Sarve Pali Radha Krishnan, bat kumju na ka benta ki Nonghikai, mentaka singi kan riu tarik unai lur arjar arpuai, ka Ophis jong ka District School Education Officer ka Ribohoi District, kala Rakhe bat pendan Burom ya ka singi lengku senam ka bahan riu pau, ka bala penlong hakat nat rekam ka sorkar ka District School Education Officer Ribohoi District Nongpoh. Hakane ka singi, Laidan rengkat langru UMLA ka Nongpoh constituency ubak Merel Balls kum ukong san, harengkat ke ADC ka kong VA nyuta. Bat hakane ka singi, la samru yaki award syaki Nonghikai, kum ka best teachers, bat kum juru syaki best Bharat Scouts and Guides.
Jobs in the whole world, and we always say that the profession of the teacher is the greatest because it is the profession that teaches other professions. So this really is a great responsibility for a teacher to handle his day-to-day job. And because you really are the role models for our children and they really look up to you. So I encourage you that even though you have done splendidly well in the past, I encourage you to continue this hard work so that you can really shape our future, you can really shape the future of our children, because in you lies the future, the bright future of our dear children. And so with these few words, I would like to congratulate you once again, and I hope that you will do very well in the years to come and you'll work harder. Thank you.
I still remember on that very function for St. Paul, where I had the privilege to hand over an award for the awardee who has been awarded in the lower primary section, who happened to be my teachers. Kajau Bima Sni mau nama bang ai ya award ke Nonghikai Nonghikai. Kali ini disinggung baik ke jong lekai kula. Nak minta juga lama. Arung iyo ia kena kepor Kaba Kongsan, ban pendan Burom, ban facilitate ia kena Nonghikai ini. Kita lagi hai harga tiglong timan juga cukup kewangan. Kalau sisa Kaba ni semua Burom ia kena Nonghikai ini. Ibadah berbentar kau. Na kabenta ban wandong rim bersud ya ki sembok perhan haki kena school ki ini dan ki lower primary section, ki upper primary, ki secondary, ki higher secondary, ki college berkembang. Ba kalau ki kesulitan mana kesini ba yo egala banyadon reka ba kini ki Nonghikai ki berki ki yo kena award. Kini baru lainut kiba meraksi. Nak kalian jom education department, nak pendon Burom, ye fi baru lainut. Kilong ki parlok, kilong ki men, kilong ki operational pertau gitu kan. Karena kada pergi sokmen bagi i, bagi yo kena award. Ya ai ki kok kerjaan ini, ki congratulate ini. Boleh nonton rengkat, dan sini puan di mana. Paling hai orang lain kini ki rudan Burom, ki pemberian kini awal meneksi. Ngamdan kerjin dan kumai berong, ditang ki kerjin berbuat, berkenanglah menkai kumai puan. Hari jingsiam kijungi dan puan serupuan, rumah laong ini aku stand kini baru lain kini ki mengicu tahu. Untuk terang ini untuk duduk dan bos rokok, sekolah berjungi kedai Kaba dan apa area kona kini penting iji untuk kamu buat semua bat ila persusu ilong Nonghikai ubah Nonghikai beliau mereka semua iji Kristen itu mati itu Kristen Udin ya kiji identity itu Nonghikai ke dedication itu bat hiyo ya kini itu terbang akan karya itu dalam syariat hijau Mbak Sngi
Aduh katno ngin syaset patok paune virus. Aba kalat berlanj nu kadon. Ini ban simbet yaka. Aya ketika kawit kerkendai. Kena ikun bati kena persya ya kena ke kelam.